Hello guys, so welcome to another video of primary checkpoint. This is paper 1 of April 2021. Code is 084501 and time for this paper is 45 minutes. You will need protractor and tracing paper, which is optional. If you need, you can use that. And as this is paper 1 and you are not allowed to use calculator in this paper, so let's start. Question 1. Here are 4 calculations with answers. We are given these calculations here with answers. Tick the calculation if the answer is correct and cross if the calculation answer is incorrect. So let's start one by one. The first one is 250. So 250 divided by 10. So when you divide 250 by 10, this 0 and 0 get cancelled and your answer is 25. So which is correct. So we will take this answer. Now 15 times 10. So that means 15 times 1 is 15, then there is 1 0, so we will put 1 0. So answer is supposed to be 150, but we are given 1500, so this is not correct, so we will put cross. Now 90 divided by 10. So 0 and 0 is cancelled, so you are left with 9. So your answer is supposed to be 9, not 900. So this is also not correct. Now 12 times 1 is 12. And there are 2 zeros, you will put 0 there, so 1200. So this is correct. So that is first question. Now question number 2. Complete these calculations. So we are given this 2-digit number here, 2-digit, and answer is 100. So we can just write it down here. 3, this number is missing, this is missing here, 8, and our answer is 100 and it is addition. So 8, after 8 if you count, then 9, 10. So that means if you add 2 here you are going to get 10 here, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, and 4 plus what gives you 10, that is 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. So here in the blank here it will be 2 and the other one will be 6. Right, now second part B. So we have again 3-digit number here now. So this is blank space here, 5, then 0, then here we have 1, then these two are blank, and then we have answer is 1000, and this is also of addition question. So 0, so answer is 0, so that means we are not adding anything, so 0 here. So then 5, again we need 0 here, so after 5 you will get 5 plus 5 is 10, so 1 carry here, so that means 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus what gives you 10 here, so 8. So it will be 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, so 1000. So let's fill these gaps now. This is 8 here, then 1 is already there, 5 and 0. Question number 3. The chart shows the time that planes leave an airport in London. So you can see this is destination, flight number, and flight time. So Aiko is traveling from London to New York. What time will her flight leave? So we need to look, because we are talking about time, so we need to look for in the column of time. So what is the destination is New York. New York is here in this. So this is the answer here, 1425. That's it for this. Number 4. Lily has 404 marbles. You can see some marbles here. She loses 8 marbles. So how many marbles does she have left? So we need leftovers. So 404 and she loses 8 out of this. So when you count from 8 up to 14, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So they are, you can see 6 here, and this will be 10. You will take carry from here. 10 minus so 1 is gone here this side, so it was 14, so this will remain here 9, 396. Number 5, write the number that is halfway between 5136 and 5142. So you need a number halfway between. So what you need to do, you add these two numbers. First add the numbers, that is 5136 and 5142. When you add them, you will get 6 plus 2 8, 7, 1 plus 1 2, so 10,278. Now we need a number in the middle. In the middle means you will divide it by 2. So let's divide it by 2. Two times 5 is 10. Drop down 2 here. 2 times 1 2. Then drop down 7. That is 2 times 3 is 6. Then we have 1 and drop down 8 here. 2 times 9 is 18. So this is the number which is in the middle of these two numbers. So we added these two numbers and divided it by 2. I hope you understood this. Question number 6. Here is a rectangle. You can see this rectangle here. Measure each side and write the measurement on the diagram. So we need to write down this on the diagram. We can just use ruler here. When you use ruler, well, let's see, this is 5 centimeters. So it will come here 5 centimeters, and this length from here to here is 3 centimeters. So this is 3 centimeters. Now calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all the sides. Sum of all sides. So as this is a rectangle, so if this is 5, so this will also be 5, and this will be 3 centimeters. So now we have all the sides here. Sum of sides is perimeter. So it is 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 3 is 16. So your answer is 16. Right. Now number 7. Complete the following. Angles are measured in. So we always measure angles in degrees. Okay. One full turn, how many right angles? One full turn means if you start from here. So this is one full turn starting from here. So how many right angles do you see here? This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 4 right angles in one full turn. Now question number 8. Perry travels 112 kilometers at the same speed in car. He uses 8 liters of petrol. How far he traveled for 1 liter of petrol? So we are given like 8 liter of petrol. He covered 112 kilometers. So we need for 1. So simple, you need to just divide 112 by 8. So 112 divided by 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. Drop down 2. 8 times 4 is 32. So remainder is 0 here. So your answer is 14 kilometers. Question number 9. draw the lines of symmetry on these two letters. So line of symmetry will be in the middle, where you can see both sides the reflection is same. So this is one line of symmetry in this, and the other one for E will be from here in the middle, this way. So these are the lines of symmetry. Now number 10, here is a number line. You can see this number line. So from 0 to 1, so there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 sections, and join each fraction. We are given this fraction and decimal to the correct position on the number line. Now we'll start one by one. Half is equal to 0.5. So if this is 1, so that means this will be 0.1 to the fifth half of this. Half of this is in the middle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is 10. So 0.5 is here, so we are going to join this here. 0 point will be 9/10 here. This will be to the 9th. 3/10 is this one here. This is half, 9/10, 3/10. So this is already divided into 10 parts. Question 11. Here is a square grid. You can see this grid here. Let's see the question. The question is A, B, C, and D are vertices of a kite. So you know the kite is shaped like this. So A and B are shown on the grid. C is point at 7 4. 7 4 is x. This is the coordinate of x, and this is coordinate of y. X is here 7, and y is 4. Y4 is here. So this is point C. Okay. Now the question is write the coordinates of point D. So let's join this first so that we can see what kind of shape we are getting here. So join this point. So that means to make this kite you need to have this shape, this line here, so one, you can see it is passing through the center of these two squares. So the same, like from here it will go up, then in the middle up to this, like this, and then if you join this point you are going to get so this is point D. So our question is write the coordinates of D. The coordinates of D, if you go down here, value of x is 3. If you go this way, your value of y is 6. So we have answer 3 and 6. Value of x is 3 from here, and value of y is 6 from here. Now question number 12. Angelic scores 30 out of 50 in a test, and Gabriela scores 50% in the same test. Draw a ring around the name of the person who has the higher score. So we need to check which one is higher. Explain how do you know. So this is 30 out of 50. So we can easily convert this into percentage. This is 30 out of 50. And how much will be out of 100? Times 100. So this will give you percentage. So when you do this, it is this 0 and this 0 is cancelled. So here when you cancel, 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 20 times 3 is 60. So this is 60%. And Angelic is 60%, and Gabriela we are given 50%. So that means who is having higher score? It is Angelic. So we will circle Angelic, and in the reason we will write down this reason here. So for Angelic, you should always underline the keywords here. For Angelic we are getting 30 out of 50 times 100. When you simplify, this is 60%. and Gabriella has 50%. So Angelic got higher score. Right. Question 13. Safia measures the temperature of a cup of tea to see how quickly it cools. Graph shows the temperature of cup of tea. You can see this side we have temperature here in degrees Celsius, and we have time in minutes on the other side. So the question is, by how much does the tea cool in first 15 minutes? How much in first 15 minutes? So we are finding the difference actually here in first 15 minutes. First 15 minutes are here. So if you go up there along 15, so if you go up here along 15, you can see this is here. So this is between 50 and 60, that is 55. So that means what was the temperature originally? At 0 minutes the temperature was 85, and after 15 minute temperature is now 55. We are looking for this difference. So how much is this? You can see this is 65. I mean from here 70 to this is 10 and 60, and then this is 25. So you can do the calculation for this. This is 80 was originally at 0 minutes, then at 15 minutes it is 55. So subtract it, you will get 25. So answer is 25 degrees Celsius. Part B. Safia measures the temperature after 30 minutes. The temperature is 45 degrees Celsius. Plot this on the graph. So we need to plot this 45 degrees at 30 minutes. So 30 minutes are here. So when you reach there 30 minutes, on 30 minutes it is 45 degrees Celsius. 45 is here. So go along this way, and this is 40 here, and this is 45. This is 45 here. So that's it for this question. Question 14. Chen says, to calculate 32 times 21, I multiply 32 by 20 and then add 32. So 32 is how many times? Is 21 times. So he is multiplying by 20, and remaining one he is adding 32. Change Chen's method to calculate 32 times 19. So it's simple. 32 times, he can do 32 times 20. So 32 times 20 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 640. Okay, so this is 20. He needs 19, so 1 less than that. So then he will subtract. So minus 32. So when you minus 32, this is 3, 10 will come here. 10 minus 2 is 8, 608. So this is the final answer. So first you multiply by 20 and then subtract 32. Question number 15. There are 30 students in a class. 1/5 like football. How many students do not like football? So first we will find out how many like football. So those who like, number of students, those who like football is 1/5 of 30. So that means you are taking 1/5 times 30. So 30 divided by 5, it is 6. So this is number of students who like football. Those who do not like football. So do not like football means there were 30 students in total. 30 minus 6, that is 24. So final answer is 24. I hope you understood all these questions. For other questions, you need to watch the next video for this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Share it with your friends also.